Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy, and guess what? We've been reading this book. It's called The Carrot Seed, and we decided to make a sensory bin, but it's a taste-safe sensory bin. It doesn't have real dirt in it. You know how we made this? We used 6 cups of flour, and we used 1 cup of cocoa powder and 1 cup of oil. We used coconut oil. And then we mixed it all together, and we used our hands to mix it together because it was really fun. And then we cooked it in the oven for 275 degrees for 30 minutes. And then it's ready to play. And we're going to plant some carrot seeds. See, we have carrot seeds. We're going to do just like the story. And we're going to put our dirt in our container. And then, guess what's going to happen? A carrot's going to come up. A pretend carrot, because we're going to play with our sensory bin. Doesn't that look like fun, Freddy? You could play too. And you know what? It's taste safe, but you probably wouldn't want to eat it, but it doesn't taste that good anyway. It's kind of bitter. So we hope you have fun making some taste safe dirt to play in a sensory bin. It's really a fun activity. Okay, Freddy's excited. He wants to play some more. Would you like me to read you the story, Freddy? It's called The Carrot Seed. Okay, we're going to read the story. Bye.